Hey, this is Hunter from Hunterworks, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Can-Am vehicle to a PowerVision 3 programmer, how to extract information out of your vehicle to be able to send to us at Hunterworks, and we're able to use that information to send you guys our 2 tune files back. If you missed the last video, my dad does an introduction to the PowerVision 3 for the Can-Am side of things here at Hunterworks. He does a good job of explaining the features that are going to be on our tune files, as well as describes the 2 tunes that you'll be getting from us. I do want to remind you guys before I get started into the how-to video that Hunterworks has the best belts on the planet. We offer them for all the different Can-Am models, so y'all go check them out. So the process is pretty simple with these Can-Ams. It's more of the plug and play, unlike Polaris. In the Polaris side of things, you have to connect your device to it, go down to a button called the Read ECU button. It reads it for about 15 minutes and extracts information. On the Can-Am side of things, you're able to just connect your device to your vehicle, turn the key on, and it's automatically paired to your device then and there, and that information is extracted from the vehicle. Once you get that information, you're going to have 2 options to do. The first option is going to be able to just email me those 2 files that you extract from your vehicle, which I'm going to show you guys how to do that later in the video. And the other, where we send you this whole box with a programmer in it, you connect it to your vehicle, you put it back in the box after you pair it, ship it back to us. I'll put the tune files in it from Hunterworks back into your device itself and ship it back to you guys. There will be a return label in there for that option. That's going to be on the website when you check out. But after I get that information from you guys, whether it be email or whether it be from mail, I will send you those tune files back and you'll be able to plug it right into your vehicle and be able to go. So I'm going to hop in front of our 2022 Can-Am Commander here, locate the OBD port, and show you guys how to pair it. Alright, so I got my flash harness out the box. This is the OBD port side of it. I located mine under the driver's side of this 22 Can-Am Commander. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the ports together. Now I'm going to grab the other end of my harness, go ahead and connect it to my device. Once she's connected, I can go ahead and click the key on. Key's on and power's starting up. I'm going to bring this in closer to you guys so you guys can get a better look at it. So this is the initial screen that you presented yourself with. I just click the OK button. That's what I like to call this button right here. So I'm going to click OK and go right through it. So as soon as you turn your key on, your device is now paired to your vehicle. If you want to check that, just go down to Vehicle Tools, go to Vehicle Information, and boom, there's your paired vehicle. So at this point, you plugged in your device to your vehicle. Your vehicle now says it's paired. I told you it'd be pretty simple. So the 2 pieces of information that I want you guys to send to me is going to be a PV information file and a stock file. So I'm going to go up to my computer. I'm going to show you guys how to do it via computer. But at this point, if you're the person that opted for the mail, go ahead and put it back in the box, put the return label on it, send it back to us, and I'll have it back to you guys as quick as possible. Alright, so I have my device connected to my computer with the USB cord that was in the box. At this point, don't touch the device, it's all up to the computer. So a PowerVision folder popped up, as you can see with my cursor, and do not pay attention to any of this stuff. We use one device for 5 different vehicles, so this is all the tune files, stock files, and licenses for all those different vehicles. I know this one is the Can-Am Commander's stock file, so what I did was I right-clicked it, I copied it, or you can drag and drop it depending on what kind of computer you have. You can do this on Microsoft or Windows, but I dragged and dropped it over here into an email that I addressed to Hunterworks. And then you also want to get your PV info, which is in a PV info folder, as you can see, and it goes down to the file. So I dragged and dropped this file here as well into the email. So I titled it Hunterworks. That's who you're going to send it to. I just put the subject PV3 so I'll know, and then put down your year, make, and model. And then just send it over to me. So at this point in the video, you've done paired your vehicle to your device by turning the key on, extract that information, and then you chose one of the 2 ways to send it to me via email or the mail. Hopefully I made the email portion very simple for you guys. I don't want you to get confused with all the other information that was inside of our PowerVision folder. That has all our 5 different vehicles connected into that one file and folder, so don't get confused with all the information. I tried to just show you guys that one stock file and that one PV file that you already sent over to me. But now you're just waiting on me to send you those tunes back, and hopefully you guys can hit the trails, hit the mud, whatever you guys do, and enjoy it. So thanks again for watching us, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, and stay posted on our upcoming videos. Thank you, guys.